Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So look at this vlog set. This cost nearly $13. As you can see here, it's of $9.65 on AliExpress, and along with shipping charges it costs $3 extra, that is nearly $13. But I got this order just for $1.35, as you can see here. How I got this at such a cheap price? That is because AliExpress provides 70% discount on welcome deal, nearly 70% discount. It might be less or more, but whatever it is, it's very good. And you can see here I got this product in such a big bag. That is because I ordered nearly 10 to 12 products at a time, and within this good packaging I got this box. Let me open it and I'll show you. So here it is, I am opening it, and as you can see here, within this package I got this box, and it's a quite good packaging. So this box directly came from China. As you know, AliExpress is a reseller market of Chinese vendors. It's basically China's Amazon. So let's open it, and it looks quite good. And this is the main tripod stand phone holder. It's of plastic build quality. It looks cheap, and by pressing this button we can adjust the holder angle, the required angle. And these are the legs. We can open it and keep on any table or floor. Let me show you. So here it is how it looks, and it looks good. So let me close it and keep it aside. We will explore other things as well. So along with this we also get this light, flashlight. So even this one is of plastic build quality. Here is the power button, and let me open this cover. Here we can use AA 1.5 volt battery cell. So let me fix it, and we can use it and fix it on the phone holder. And along with this we also get this microphone. Even this one is of plastic build. And here we also get this spongy cover to reduce the noise, and it looks good. Well, what are the things along with this? And this is the main phone holder where we can place our phone, and this spring is quite good, and it will keep our phone tight. That's nice. And here we also get this cable to connect the microphone to our phone, and here it is how you can connect. Along with this you also get type C to earphone jack connector. This is for those who don't have earphone jack in their phone, like mine, which is Galaxy S23 Ultra. Along with this there is one paper over here, and it's written, "You are very professional." Wow. So here the instructions are given how you can set up this vlog set and how you can use it. Well, I hope you like this unboxing video. Please comment if you have any questions. There are many more products along with this which I ordered, and I'll do its unboxing one by one. And whenever I will set up this vlog set, I will also make a video how it works, how is the flashlight, how is the microphone and all. So guys, see you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.